Hello everyone, how are you all? Fine, that's nice. Okay, today ma'am will going to tell you a short story about an ant and an alligator. Are you all excited to listen the story? Okay, fine, that's great. So children, one sunny day an ant was walking in the garden. One sunny day, an ant was walking in the garden. It saw an apple. What ant saw an apple lying under a tree. Yum, 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 yum. I love apple. Ant said, I love apple. Ant said, I love apple. Suddenly, an alligator came. Suddenly, an alligator came along with an axe. Along with an axe. Do you all know what is axe? Okay, it is like a hammer. So, hey, that's my apple. Who said? Alligator. That's my apple, alligator said. The ant got scared. The ant got scared and ran to an attic. And ran to attic to hide. And ran to the attic to hide. Then alligator laughed. Ha 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 ha. I was just kidding. Let's eat an apple together. And then they both shared an apple and became a good friend like